Hello, my dear students. How are you? I am fine. I am expecting from you all of you are fine. Today it's Night's biology, and I am Hemant Naik. Today we are going to study about the mitosis and meiosis. The mitosis and meiosis is very important chapter in every board like the CBSE and ICSE as well as the IB and Cambridge. All the syllabus having the mitosis and meiosis. Today we are going to study details about the mitosis and meiosis and what is their difference we have to study. Because difference when you are read, no, it will be very clear about the concepts. It may be you can able to write the mitosis, you can able to write the meiosis, and you also able to differentiate between the mitosis and meiosis. That we have to study today. Before going to the concept, we have the little bit of diploid and haploid because most of the students are getting confusion about the diploid and haploid. That we have to make it clear before starting our the class. First of all, we have our body, a well-developed body where and every organism having the well-developed body. Every organism well they developed body, every body having one organ system. What is this organ system? This organ system is consist of the respiratory system, digestive system, blood circulatory system, like that. And every organ system consists of the organs. What is this organs means? Like the so-called digestive system. The organ is stomach, esophagus. All this become the organs present in the digestive system. Then every organ is consist of the tissue. What is this tissue? Because every organ has a particular function, Every organ, stomach means particular function of digestion. Like that, every tissue having some performing the function of the organs. That's why every organ consists of the tissue. And every tissue is consist of the cell, because without the cell, a tissue cannot be formed. You know that what is the tissue? A same size cells or a defined size cells, they form together to tissue to perform a particular function. That means the tissue is consist of the cell. If you will go like this, the cell consists of the tissue consists of the organs, organ consists of the organ system, and the organ system consists of the body. Now we will read about the cell. Every cell having a three main membranes or main parts, we can say. Not sorry, it is not membrane, it is a parts. One is cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane there is cytoplasm, and inside the cell there is a well defined structure that is called the nucleus, and this nucleus plays very important role in the functioning of the cell. And this nucleus is consist of a thread like structure, it is called chromatin, and this chromatin condense to form the chromosome. When the chromatin will condense to form the chromosome, you know when the cell will start the division or going to start the division, this chromatin condense to form the chromosome. This chromosome present in the nucleus. This chromosome, when a organism, suppose we are human beings, total number of chromosomes we have in the 46. How many chromosomes we have? 46. This 46 chromosome is called the diploid because it is a full set of chromosomes. And what is about the haploid? It is haploid means half of this, that is 23. 23 is the haploid because it is half of the total number of chromosomes. Total number of chromosomes what is 46 and its half is 23. That's why 46 number of chromosomes we told as a diploid, and half of the chromosome we told as a haploid. In our case, diploid chromosome means it is 46, which is pairing. Now don't think that this 46 chromosome are individual one by one. It's not like that, my dear. It is in the 23 pairs it is there. And when the total full setup number of chromosomes present in a cell, that is called the diploid cell. If the half of the number of the chromosome present in the cell, that is called haploid cell. In our case, diploid cell contain the 46 chromosome, whereas in our case, haploid cells contain the 23 chromosomes. Then can you tell me which cell is a diploid? All the cells like muscle cell, blood cell, bone cell, all are consist of the diploid cell, which is called the somatic cell. Haploid cell what? The sperm cell, egg cell, which is contain the 23 number of chromosomes. That's why they are considered as a haploid cell. All of you clear? Hello my dear friends. Now we are going to discuss about the mitosis and meiosis. Before that, what I explained to you, I explained about the haploid and diploid. Haploid means what? It is a half of the set of the chromosome, where the diploid is full set of the chromosome. Then, if you will see mitosis and meiosis, it is a simple cell division. Cell division means what? When a cell will divide to forms the new cells, and it is divided into the two types. One is mitosis, another is meiosis. Where the mitosis will occur all the somatic cells of our body. Somatic cells of our body, what is the somatic cells? All the cells, like I told, it is bone cell, muscle cell, hair cell, nail cell. All these cells are all become somatic cell. And what is happening in the mitosis is happening all the somatic cells. Then where the meiosis is occurring? Meiosis occurring in the germ cell or the reproductive cells. It is occurring in the germ cell, or you can simply as a reproductive cells. First point. Second point is that how many daughter cells are produced in the mitosis? There is 1 and 2. Only 2 daughter cells are formed. The number of daughter cells formed in the mitosis is 2. How many daughter cells are produced? First division, meiosis produce the 2 daughter cells. Second division, it is produced the 4 daughter cells. Then number of the daughter cells formed in the meiosis is 4. Now we discussed about the haploid and diploid. See, mitosis, the daughter cells are become the diploid because it contains the same number of chromosomes. See my dear, it contains the same, here 2n, here 2n, here 2n. What is this 2n represents? Diploid. Diploid means what? The full set of chromosome. That's why the mitosis, the daughter cells are become the diploid. Whereas the meiosis, what is happening? In the meiosis, the cell become the diploid, but daughter cells become the haploid. Means half set of chromosomes, that is haploid. Now, you see, in the mitosis, if you will see this diagram, what you understand with this? Only one division is occur. The mother cell divide once to form the 2 daughter cells. Means division, only once division will be occur. And whereas, if you see the meiosis, what I draw this. See this diagram, what I want to say you. I see one mother cell. First it will divide to form the 2 daughter cells, which is called the meiosis 1. And after again it will divide to form the 4 cells, which is called the meiosis 2. What you understand in this? We understand that the mitosis, only the division is 1. Whereas the meiosis, it will divide into the 2 times, means twice, or 2 times it will divide. This 2 times division, what it will form? By which it forms the 4 daughter cells, because it is division twice. Here what is happening and here what is happening, we try to understand. Here the same number of chromosomes, that's why the meiosis, the daughter cells produced in the meiosis, only 4 daughter cells but haploid number of chromosomes. That's why this division is called the reduction division. What we call as a reduction division? We call it a reduction division. Means number of the chromosomes in the daughter cells become less, half, which is called haploid. When we say about the mitosis, what will happen? It is the same number of chromosomes. The daughter cells are having the same number of chromosomes. That's why it is called the equidistant division. Now, it is all about the number of chromosomes. What do you understand? We understand that in the mitosis, the number of the chromosome become the same. But in the meiosis, number of chromosomes become haploid or half or reduce. Here 2 daughter cells are formed. Where the meiosis, the 4 daughter cells are formed. Now, these are different phases of the mitosis you have to understand. But we have to not study detailed. Only the different phases we have to study. My dear, you see, there is a different phases of the mitosis, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. It is the 4 phases, main phases, which is occurring during the cell division of mitosis. But meiosis, what will happen? You see, it is the meiosis is consist of 2 phases or 2 divisions. Meiosis 1, meiosis 2. In the meiosis 1, it forms the 2 cells with half number of chromosome, and meiosis 2, it is forms the 4 cells Meiosis 1 happened, 2 cells with the haploid number of chromosome, and meiosis 2, 4 cells are formed with the haploid number of chromosomes. Now gives you a question, the mitosis is similar to what? Meiosis 1 or meiosis 2? Definitely it will be meiosis 2, because here the number of chromosome become same of the mother. That's why the mitosis is equivalent to the meiosis 2. Now here what is the division will be occur? What is the different phases in the meiosis? First phases, when the it will occur the meiosis 1, it having the prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1 in the meiosis 1. Same things it will repeat in the meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 what we will tell? Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Are you clear? Because the two divisions are there. Meiosis 1 is consist of prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1, and meiosis 2 is consist of prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. And the last point, which is very very important, what is the longest phase in this? It is the prophase. Prophase is the longest phase of the mitosis, whereas in the meiosis, prophase, like that prophase 2, metaphase 2, telophase 2 is there. Prophase 1 is the longest phase of the meiosis, whereas prophase is the longest phase of the mitosis. It is all about the difference between the mitosis and meiosis. Thank you for watching, my dear students.